Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to see history on Spotify. So if you ever wondered how to see any song that you listened to in the last God knows how long hours or days, you can actually see it. So here on the web page app, you can't see it, but I can show you how. It's not complicated, it's actually extremely easy, so I can just explain you where the button is and what you need to click, and that's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to these three lines. It says Q. You're gonna click on that, and when you click on that, here, just by the profile and the what's new button, you're gonna have a recently played button, and that's it. You're just gonna click on that. You're gonna see every single song that you listened to in the past days, hour, as long as you listen to. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very short tutorial, but a lot of people don't know actually where that even is or what it does. So thank you. Bye.